Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. 2 quick ways to unsubscribe from people who are kind of sending you too much email. This video helps. Please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Here is my Yahoo email account. And let's click on this Ticketmaster email. They send me mail all the time for concerts that are coming up. I'm not interested. You'll see at the very top of the particular email, you'll see a link that says unsubscribe. That means when I tap this Ticketmaster will stop sending me emails on a regular basis. So I'm going to click unsubscribe. It says unsubscribe. Are you sure? Yes. Click the blue button. All right, that one should be good. Unsubscribe request sent. The other way to do it is for those services which do not have an unsubscribe link at the top. The unsubscribe link may be at the bottom. So here's just next door. So I'm going to open this email, and you can see it's a pretty long email. There's no message at the top, but if I go down to the bottom, there's a link. At the very bottom it says unsubscribe, and this is my Yahoo address. Click that. So it says this will stop all emails from this particular company. So you enter your email address if it's not pre-filled, and then just click the button. And then you're good to go. You don't need to fill out this survey if you don't want. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, I have lots of books on how to use different types of technology. These are all written by experts, and they're pretty affordable. So check them out, in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz. Thank you.